After releasing the tube connection, all components need to be checked for damage and soiling. Also check the molded seal and replace it if necessary. To facilitate assembly, apply suitable lubricant to the thread and cone of the manual pre-assembly connecting piece of the cutting ring. Insert the tube end into a new coupling socket and tighten the union nut hand-tight, tension-free. Then the connection is tightened with the same amount of forces as during initial assembly. During assembly, the screw socket needs to be held with a wrench.